Hi everyone, and welcome to your first vocabulary lesson. In this new course, we will learn 20 vocabulary words in each video. So get ready, get a pencil, listen and write all of the things that you learn. Make your own sentences. Show me what you make too, and leave me a comment so I can check your work. Let's get started with our first word. Afraid. 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 This is an adjective. When someone is afraid, they are scared. The woman is afraid. She is scared. She hides her face. Number 2. Agree. 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 This is a verb. To agree is to think the same way, usually with some other person. Chris teacher is amazing, and this woman agrees. Number 3. Angry. 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 This is an adjective. When someone is angry, they may want to speak loudly or fight. Yeah. The dog is angry and may bite you. Be careful. Little dogs are mean sometimes. Ugh. Number 4. Arrive. 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 This is a verb. To arrive is to get someplace that you were going. Yeah, you would get there. You arrive at a new place. The man arrived to work early. He works in a big building. Yeah, he works at a really big building. Maybe it's an office building. But he got there early. He arrived. Past tense. Next, we have attack. 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 This is a verb. To attack is to try to fight or to hurt. Ooh. The ants attack the bigger bug so they can eat it. Ugh. But that's nature. Bottom. 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 This is a noun. The bottom is the lowest part. Yeah, like the underneath something. These are the bottoms of the boy's feet. Yeah, see, that's the very bottom, the lowest part. Clever. 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 Clever is an adjective. When someone is clever, they can solve a hard puzzle or problem. The dog is clever and learned many tricks. That's pretty cool. Dogs are smart. I like that. They're very clever. Clever means smart. Cruel. 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 Cruel is an adjective. When someone is cruel, they do bad things to hurt others. The dentist is cruel and uses a huge drill on my teeth. Ouch! Ugh. The dentist scares me a little bit. It's always painful. They never say good things. Cruel, yeah. Finally. 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 Finally is an adverb. If something happens finally, it happens after a long time or at the end. School finally finished and the children run outside. I was always happy when school finally finished. The bell would ring and I could finally run outside. Finally. Hide. It's a long I. Hide. Hide is a verb. To hide is to try not to let others see you. Yeah, hide. You play hide and seek, something like that. The red octopus hides on the coral reef in the ocean. So it can attack, so it can hunt. It's pretty cool, right? They use camouflage. They hide. Now, number 11. Hunt. 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 Hunt is a verb. To hunt is to look for or to search for something to kill, usually an animal. The chameleon. The chameleon hunts for bugs to eat in the tree. That's so cool, right? Look at his tongue. His tongue is amazing. It's like a catapult. He hunts for the bugs. He shoots them with his tongue. Number 12. Lot. Lot. Lot is a noun. A lot means a large number or amount of something. You know, we can have a lot of people, a lot of animals. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of bubbles floating in the air. Yeah, look at them all. A lot of them. Bubbles are fun. I like bubbles. Bubbles can freeze in the winter. That's pretty cool, right? Like ice spheres. That's pretty neat. Okay. Middle. Middle is a noun. The middle of something is the center of something. Yeah, right in the middle. You know middle. Middle's an easy word, right? There is a road in the middle of this lake. Wow, that's kind of cool, right? For some reason, they put a road right in the middle. Look at that. Moment. A moment is a noun. A moment is a second, or like a really short time, a very small amount of time. There are only a few more moments of time left. Uh-oh, we better hurry. Pleased. Hear the Z sound with that S? When the S is in the middle, it's usually a Z sound. Pleased. This is an adjective. When someone is pleased, they are happy. Oh, look. The couple was pleased with their vacation. Their vacation was really nice. They were happy. They were enjoying their time. They were pleased. That's pretty nice. Promise. Not pro. Promise. Promise is a verb. To promise is to say you will do something for sure, like a guarantee. You won't not do this thing. Yeah, you promise to do it. The girls promise never to fight each other again. Now they're friends again. That's nice. They promise we won't fight each other anymore. That's sweet. Reply. To reply is to give an answer or say something to someone. You know, if someone asks you a question, you would reply to them. You would say the answer back. So the woman replied to her friend on the phone. She was using her phone to text message a reply, to send back an answer. Safe. Long A. Safe. Safe is an adjective. When a person is safe, they are not in danger. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be a person. When a thing is safe, it's not in danger too. The roller coaster is safe because it has a safety bar. Yeah, roller coasters are super fun. And they're dangerous if we don't have a safety bar. Yeah, we want to be safe. Trick. Trick. I, k. Trick. Trick is a noun. A trick is something you do to fool or confuse another person. The man did an amazing trick with 2 red balls. Look at that. It's like magic. Magic is usually a trick. It's pretty cool. I like magic. I like tricks. They're interesting. How did he do that? And the last one is well. 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 Well is an adverb. You use well to say that something was done in a good way. The artist paints so well. He is a great artist. Look at that. He's very creative. He painted good. Oh, no, we can't say he painted good. We can say he painted well. That's proper grammar. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your first lesson with our vocabulary, and I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.